Hey guys, Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. Today we are going to learn how to add Facebook pop-up widget into your website. Let's take one example. Just I'm going to open my website. So today we are learning how to add this live Facebook pop-up widget into your website that shows your Facebook page logo, the Facebook page picture, and the like button with your buttons you added in your Facebook page. So to learn how to add this Facebook page pop-up widget into your website, please keep watching this video till end. And please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit like and share our video. To add these pop-up widgets in your website, we need one script to be added into your website. To do this, just copy this code and paste in your website widgets. I'll provide this script into my video description. Also, you can find these types of codes through Google. You can Google it and you can get a varieties of different scripts for Facebook pop-up widgets. Just copy this script and go to your website. As I'm using a blogger, I'm going to the layout, and in this layout you can add this script wherever you want. For now, I'm clicking here add gadget and click on HTML JavaScript. After that, just paste that code into this box. And one most important thing not to be forget is on the end of the script you will find one text, your Facebook page link. Just replace this text, your Facebook page link, by your Facebook page link. For this, I'm going to my Facebook page. Now just copy the link of your Facebook page and then go to your website and just paste that link into this your Facebook page link. And just save it. That's done. Now whenever any visitors visits your website, this live Facebook pop-up widget into your website. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come back again with new tricks and tips video. Until that, take care. Goodbye.